Hi guys, I found a legit way to get free gift cards. I got a free gift card a few days ago and today I'm going back to get a free PlayStation gift card. I had this idea to check on ChatGPT since it uses AI and found a website called codesgpt.com. This is made by a GPT store developer to locate the most popular websites that offer the gift cards. The way the site works, it's that it scrapes the internet and curates the most popular platforms. So let's go to codesgpt.com. Then select the already built-in prompt like this. So I will go with PlayStation gift card. If you want a gift card that is different, you can visit codesgpt.com yourself. As you can see, it has searched the internet and provided the most popular and trusted website. It does this by creating millions of websites and then scoring them based on the website visitors' reviews that have been left online. So codesgpt.com has recommended this site, gettweaks.club. I will just click on the link and go to gettweaks.club to grab a card. As you can see, they offer free PSN gift cards. They are a reputable site that offers a constant supply of PlayStation gift cards, and you can check it out here. You can also see that there are many happy users, and you can see all the information here. If we go down, you can see that there is customer feedback from people who have gotten free PlayStation gift cards. There is also an FAQ section. Alright, so let's just get started. Just tap on this the button below and you'll be taken to this window where you need to choose the value of the gift card that you want to get. Now that I've done that, I'm going to show you what you need to do next. You need to tap on this proceed button over here. I'm not going to do that because I've already done it to save time, as it takes a few minutes to complete the giveaway steps. But once you complete this, you'll get the gift card code like this. I have saved the code on this notepad so I can copy and paste it. Alright, so to redeem the PlayStation gift card, simply go to playstation.com and then go to your profile and then tap on the redeem codes. Once you tap on redeem codes, it's super easy. Now you just paste the code over here, and after that you need to tap on the confirm button here at the bottom, and as you can see, it is going to ask you to confirm the redemption, and yep, here it is. It's a $100 PlayStation gift code. So, to get your free PlayStation gift card using this recommended method, you need to go to gettweaks.club. Please comment below if you have any problems and check out our channel for other reviews. If you could, please like and subscribe. It will help our channel as we are not monetized.